Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the bold and sophisticated 2026 Toyota Crown, a car that continues to redefine what a premium sedan can be. Toyota has taken a fresh approach to the Crown, blending luxury, performance, and innovation in a way that truly stands out in its class. The first thing you notice is the design. The 2026 Crown has an upscale, coupe-inspired silhouette that makes it look more like a luxury European sedan than a traditional Toyota. With sleek LED headlights, a striking grille, and the high-riding stance, it commands attention without being flashy. Toyota continues to offer it enriched, deep color options that elevate its premium feel even further. Under the hood, the Crown offers a choice of two hybrid powertrains. The base model features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid that balances efficiency with everyday performance. But the real start is the Hybrid Max setup. That version combines a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with electric motors to produce a punchy 340 horsepower, delivered through a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Whether you're commuting or hitting the highway, the Crown delivers smooth acceleration, excellent stability, and a surprisingly engaging drive. Step inside, and the cabin experience feels upscale and modern. The materials are soft touch and high quality throughout, and the layout is clean and tech-forward. You get a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's intuitive, responsive, and packed with features, including Toyota's latest voice assistant. What really sets the Crown apart is how it bridges the gap between luxury and practicality. You get a comfortable, quiet ride with ample space for both front and rear passengers. The elevated ride height gives it almost a crossover feel, making it easier to get in and out while offering a commanding view of the road. Toyota hasn't forgotten about safety either. The 2026 Crown comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and more. The 2026 Toyota Crown is a bold, stylish, and smart choice for drivers who want something different from the usual sedans. It's not trying to be flashy, it's quietly confident, and that might be the most legendary thing about it. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.